Arsenic anions derived from the residue from arsenic acid. Yes, ASO4 3-. We have 6 such anions, so we need 6 arsenic acid particles. Sulfate anions. We have 9 sulfate anions on the right side of the reaction. So that means that we have also 9 sulfuric acid particles. We have 28 nitrogen oxide particles on the right side of this ionic reaction. So in the particle form reaction, we also have 28 particles of nitrogen oxide. What about the sulfide anions? We have 9 sulfide anions on the left side of the reaction. It means that we need 3 particles of arsenic 3 sulfide. Yes, here 3 particles of this salt means that we have 9 sulfide anions. Okay, so let's check the whole balance of the mass. Yes, the whole balance of the matter. On the left side of the reaction we have 6 atoms of arsenic. On the right side also we have 6 atoms of arsenic in 6 particles of arsenic acid. On the left side we have 9 atoms of sulfur. On the right side we have 9 atoms of sulfur in 9 particles of sulfuric acid. On the left side we have 28 atoms of nitrogen. On the right side also here we have 28 atoms of nitrogen. On the left side we have 28 plus 8 28 in 28 atoms of hydrogen in 28 particles of nitric acid. And we have also 4 particles of water. That means that on the left side of the reaction we have 36 particles of hydrogen. On the right side we need to have also 36. In 6 particles of the arsenic acid we have 18 atoms of hydrogen. In 9 particles of sulfuric acid we have also 18 atoms of hydrogen. So in total we have 36 hydrogen atoms on the right side of the reaction. What about the oxygen? 28 particles of nitric acid. In 1 particle we have 3 oxygen atoms. So in 28 particles means that we have 28 times 3. So we get 84 atoms of oxygen in the nitric acid. 28 particles. We have also 4 particles of water, that in total we have 88 oxygen atoms on the left side. On the right side 6 arsenic acid particles give us 6 times 4 is equal to 24 atoms of oxygen. In 9 sulfuric acid particles we have 36 oxygen atoms. 36 plus 24 give us 60. In 28 nitrogen oxide particles we have 28 atoms of oxygen. 28 plus 60 give us 88 atoms of oxygen. So okay, so now everything is clear. We made the whole correct balance of mass in this total particle reaction. So what about this? Let's look once again at this balance of of the hydrogen cations, I mean in this ionic form of the reaction. Yes? On the left side, we do not have any hydrogen cations in this ionic form reaction here. On the right side, we have 8 cations of hydrogen. Yes? You need to look at that as an excess of hydrogen ions. I will show you. Let's look now at the main reaction. Yes, this particle type reaction. We have 28 particles of nitric acid and we have 4 particles of water. So in total we have 36 hydrogen atoms. However, we have only 28 cations of hydrogen. Yes, 28 cations of hydrogen which are derived from the nitric acid, because water particles do not dissociate in 100%. Yes, the dissociation of the constant of this dissociation of the water particle is very low in this case. So we have 28 hydrogen cations on the left side. So on the right side we have 8 hydrogen cations more. So we need to have 28 plus 8 give us 36. Let's see. Here in arsenic acid we have 18 hydrogen atoms. In sulfuric acid we have also 18 hydrogen atoms. So we have in total 36 hydrogen atoms derived from 2 different acids. 2 different acids that dissociate in aqueous electrolyte solution into anion and hydrogen cations. So those 8 hydrogen cations are derived from this acid. Okay, so it's everything. That it was the last one exercise. I think that redox reactions are now very clear for you. If you have any questions and you would like to make another examples, please let me know in the comments. Yes. And now I would like to also invite you to listen my second chapter entitled Galvanic Cells.